Today we are in Shinjuku and I'm doing a nighttime photo shoot. I'm using my 35 1.4 lens with a 5D Mark IV, and today's model is Georgia.
Again, hi, it's Georgia.
So we have her in this beautiful dress. We have some beautiful lights, and I'm actually using a star filter today. I thought it would work well with the nighttime lights. We're ready to go? Let's get started. Beautiful stars in the background. It's perfect for shooting at night. Even the lights from the car, oh my God, the lights from the car are beautiful. Shinjuku is so busy, but we're used to shooting in crowded spaces, so that's all right. Great job, Georgia. Great, those are perfect, good job. Georgia's just a pro. Doesn't matter how many people are watching her. You could place her literally anywhere in the world. Okay, Georgia, which way? You tell us where to go.
This way.
Okay, let's have you just stand. I'm gonna get like a full body for this one. Can you stand a little right there, please? Yes. Good job, Georgia. That's actually cute. That's actually great. Looking straight ahead, yeah. Good job, Georgia. Those are great. When I'm photographing, I literally have tunnel vision. I don't see anybody. I don't even pay attention to all the people around me.
Really puts you in the zone.
Do you feel the same way?
When I'm modeling, I'm pretty aware of my surroundings, but when I photograph, I'm exactly the same. So much to focus on.
I mean, it takes a lot of confidence to go up there and pose in front of people.
Yeah, but like, do it for the shot, you know?
I love it. See where that's why we work so well together. Okay, Georgia, can you stand right here? Let's do, yeah, to the side. Let's do side profile, yeah. Those are great. You're looking here? Great job. Oh, Georgia, the arcade's looking nice. Will we get kicked out for taking photos here? Okay, let's just quickly go. Oh my God, now is not the time for this lens to like not work. Oh my God. It's a little hard to focus, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, stay right there, looking here. Can you be like bent down like this? Stay right there. Looking here? They didn't kick us out.
I'm really surprised. Usually when you make eye contact with them, it's like, oh.
It's like, hey, send in security. Security, get them out. I think our entourage has disappeared. Yeah, they're not here.
Everyone is gone.
They're literally gone. I really don't know where they went. Oh, they're at the arcade? Okay, let's go in. Are they playing games? Oh, look at, Jason's literally playing a game. Look at this. We're gonna get a photo of her playing some games. Georgia, looking here, Georgia? Yeah. Great. Actually, do that one more time. Okay, let's play it again. You got the coins? Oh! Okay, it was a good try.
We got him on his back.
There was a lot of staff around us, but no one kicked us out. Why? Okay, let me have you right here. Gotta bump that ISO up. Let's have you just like a portrait facing me. Make sure that the hair is a little bit to the back, yeah. So show your neck a bit more. Oh, what about these little, let's see if it changes all these into stars. Oh,
wait, did you
let's have you. Yeah, of course I do.
I'm like, oh wait.
Of course, I want you in every shot. Great. Oh, the light here is beautiful. Stay right there. Great job. Do something kind of like framing your face for this one, yeah. Yeah, that's great. Those are great. Okay, so we are going to the spot where they filmed Lost in Translation. So if you watch the movie, let us know if you recognize it, because I forgot what the movie is about.
We're gonna have to watch it again.
How about you walking back and look back towards the camera? Come close to me. Come close to my lens, right here. Yeah, stay right there. If you are shooting here, you definitely need a star filter. Look at these.
Wow, there's a star on my face. Wow.
There's a star in your eyeball, coming out of your eye socket.
Like shooting lasers out of my eyes.
Let's do maybe one last one right here. How about you doing something like this? How about you're like looking straight ahead? Yes, good job, Georgia. When you have a filter over your lens, it just makes it harder to capture the eyeball, which you want to focus on. I want to get the lasers coming out of your eyebrows.
Oh, my eyebrows.
Your nose.
My nose.
So this is really pretty because it's like all nice and yellow. So can we do something kind of like this maybe right here? Like waist up, yeah. Not looking at the cat, looking away. Let's do one more like this. Kind of like this, yeah.
The signature Georgia pose.
Yes. Yeah, stay right there, don't move. Don't move, hold on, stay right there. But this is the cleanest street I've ever seen in my life. Could you be standing right here, right under the sign? Love it. Have your hands showing? Yeah. Georgia, could you be pointed this way? Yeah, right there. Hands down to your side. Could you come towards my lens? Hands up. Great job. Can you do a few where you have like your hands over the lens a little?
Over the lens.
Yeah. Last one, I just want you sitting right here next to the cigarettes on the floor. Yeah, stay right there, Georgia, don't move. Okay, I think we're good. I think we got the shot, yes. So that concludes our nighttime photo shoot in Shinjuku with my friend Georgia.
Thank you for having me. It was so much fun, as always.
What did you think of the star filter?
I liked it a lot, and I've never seen you use anything like this before, so it was very interesting to see. I think we got some really amazing shots.
And you did good at the arcade.
Thank you.
We didn't get kicked out. I think the star filter in this setting was perfect. We had the neon lights, we had the signs, all the light. So if you're ever thinking about getting a star filter, I definitely would recommend it. Let us know what you guys think of the photos. Thank you, Georgia, for modeling.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for watching.
And thank you, Mas, behind the camera.
Thank you, Mas.
And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.